Guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you Adobe After Effects basics, and I know you. Yes, you're a beast video editor like me, but working on After Effects, going you to next level of video editing. Let's begin. Like before, just click on After Effects icon. Oh god, I know it must be depressing, and I must be totally annoyed. When After Effects is open, click on New Project. After that, New Composition, and as always, you should. Just kidding, set your video frame rate. I wanted to make a YouTube video because I go to 60 FPS, and in this box is set duration of your editing and press OK. Never tell nobody about things you learn in this video. Anyway, After Effects, it's not that scary for importing your footage. Just double click on this panel and choose your picture or video. It doesn't matter, and press enter when your file imported on After Effects. You can see it here. All of things you need to do is drag it under the timeline just like me, and there you go. After Effects have 3 important parts, and you must know about it for your edit: timeline, effects and presets, and effects control. One of the strangest thing about After Effects is you can't find any effects control bar like Premiere Pro on it. Anything you need is under the timeline. For example, for changing the scale of your video, you cannot see anything. Now here we have something that we are calling it Hotkeys. Hotkeys makes it much easier for you to work with After Effects. For example, to change the scale of the video, just left click on your layer and press S on your keyboard. For making your video or object bigger or smaller, just change this number. The higher you go, the object will be bigger, and the lower you go, the object will be smaller. And for changing the position is same as the scale. Just press V on your keyboard, and you can change your position of your text or anything you have on your timeline. Don't know why you guys are like this. It's really simple, and after a while you will learn all of the hotkeys. If you want to rotate your video, click on your video layer and press R. Bro, I am a beast. You already know more than of any of internet dorks about After Effects. For make your video disappear, I mean changing opacity like before, click on your layer and press on T, and you can with changing this number make your video disappear. Or even if you want to animate scale, position, or opacity, just click on that clock toggle animation, and this or add a keyframe at the beginning, go a little bit forward, and change the number. The higher you go, you can see the object. The lower you go, the object would be disappear. Before going to the last part, I just want let you know that I create a epic Discord server recently, and I don't tell you anything about it, just join on it, link in the description. Last step for knowing After Effects basic is tools menu. For example, this is selection tool, and you can easy select, change, or do must on things with this item. The next tool is hand tool. Sometimes maybe you want to see the project with a special angle like this. If you want, you can simply use hand tool. Next tool is zoom tool. If you're a call editor like me, just use it for just seeing better your project. Next one tool is pan behind. We have a thing on After Effects that we are called anchor point. The anchor point is like the line of symmetry or like the middle of your video. So if I move this to here and start to rotate my video, it should move for this way because of anchor point. After we done all of these things, if you're a noob, get the hell out of here right now. But if you are a pro, get the hell out of here.